Well, they sure are pretty. If you look at that, that's called a green sunfish. We call them goggle-eye perch. Some people call them black perch. Either way, you got a little bit bigger mouth. Okay, there's what we're after. Green sunfish. Some people call them black perch. We call them goggle-eyed perch growing up. They got a lot bigger mouth than a brim, a lot stockier, a lot more aggressive, and just really, really fun to catch, and a pretty fish too. And we're going to try to catch some of these, a bunch of other panfish, and maybe some smallmouth. We're on the Mulberry River today. You say, Harold, that's a pretty small fish. It is, but look at the belly on it. But you have to look at what I'm fishing with. I'm using a really, really small, like a 1/32 ounce grub. And I'm targeting fish like this. And this is just a little bitty skinny stretch of water, and if I catch 100 of these today, I'll be happy, and I probably won't get sick of it either. I just enjoy being knee deep in cold water and watching them come up and grab it. The water's clear, you can see every fish that hits it. I reel it away from the real little ones, or try to. As you can see there, 2 or 3 of them got it anyways, but still fun to catch. Look at that. See that turquoise and orange? That's what we call a pumpkin seed. And I think they are the prettiest fish in North America. They almost look tropical to me. They get a little bit bigger than this, but they don't get real big. But they are beautiful. Hell, that's a nice little Kentucky. I was just about to leave. That's a deep hole right there. I've seen people jump off those rocks. And I waited from down there, and I just came up the edge. Yeah, it was chest deep. I was holding the camera and the pole over my head because I'd step off a rock and I wouldn't know how deep the next hole was. Well, for the record, the further I've gone from the bridge, the less fish I've caught. And I'm not even seeing a whole lot of activity up through here, so I'm gonna go back to where we started. Might just go on upstream and try a whole different spot. Alright, my battery's died. I ain't got much left once I turn it back on, so we finished up here at Wolf Pen. If you've watched my videos in the past fishing on the Mulberry, I've done a couple videos fishing right here. But we caught a few fish here. We caught most of them downstream. We fished some new water. One of my favorite places. The bank's washed out. I can't get down to it. So anyways, all in all, we caught fish. We went swimming. We spent some time in the mountains. How can you go wrong doing that? See you guys on the next video.